Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we're just going to look at a product. We're not going to make a design as such, but we've got some samples of a new product called Agra Wool. Now, there's been a lot of talk about floral foam not being good for the environment, and this really gives an alternative base that you could use. So I think the best way I could describe this is it feels like loft insulation, which if you know that kind of like slightly textured woolly loft insulation, it just feels like that. Now you can buy it in blocks like this, so we're all familiar with blocks this shape, but you can also get it in sheets that you could cut out. So I think this could be interesting if you were doing like runners down a table. Definitely an interesting product, and it's quite easy to cut. So all you need to do to cut it is literally just a knife, and you can see that was easily cut. For soaking, it's so easy to soak. You just drop it into water and it will just soak up water, no problem at all, and it really does hold a good amount of water. So if anything, I would say it's possibly soaks quicker than your normal foam. So we've got the product. We're quite excited about using this. I have heard mixed kind of reviews, as in it's different, it's a different way of working. And from what I understand is you've got layers. So if you put it like this and you're doing something upright, it's harder to get through these layers. If you have it more on its sides so you can go through the layers, that's much better. The other advantage of this product is you can use it for supporting artificial and dried flowers, so just as easily do those arrangements with the same base, so you're not having to stock two different types of base. So I hope you're excited to see how this works, and we will do a few different arrangements using it as the base for our flowers. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. If you haven't subscribed, click here because we have new videos every week, and we really look forward to seeing you.